Hello, welcome back to my new logo design tutorials. In this video, I will show a very easy way to design a logo from sketch to vector. So let's start the video. Go to File, Place and place the photo. Select the photo and go to Object, Lock it. Go to the rectangular ellipse. None the fill color. Make the stroke color black. Make a circle like this. Select this, go to Edit, Copy and paste in front. Make it small. Go to Rectangular and make a shape. Select this one, copy, dragging by holding the Alt key. Select this, copy and paste using the shortcut Ctrl-C and Ctrl-F. Rotate it and move here. Go to the line and make a line. Now select all and go to the Shape Builder tool and make this. Don't join this part, click this for separate. Yeah, okay. Delete these objects. Select and none the stroke. Select this, go to the Object Path, Offset Path 5 pixels, hit OK. Delete these objects. Make another shape for the crown. Select all and unite. Unlock all and delete this photo. Now for the logo name, so type it. And slogan. I'm doing some adjustments so little faster. Yeah, everything is good. Go to File, Save and save it. Now for the colors. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.